The plan for this chapter will be to learn about the Personal Orientation Program artifacts and its features, and how a student can create a POP artifact to better understand their career goals. Let's start by exploring Vanita's portfolio. Clicking on POP, your student will see all her stored work. On this page, a student can add a new POP exploration. Then she has 4 phases to complete, which are also in line with the SRL process: Know Yourself, Plan, On Task, and Ponder. Like on the Artifacts page, each phase is supported by a number of subtasks, a toolbar feature which is slightly different, and questions to drill down further. The one phase which does not exist in the Artifacts page is Know Yourself. The student creates a personal profile of themselves to help them better understand their strengths and weaknesses, as well as which skills set they wish to develop in relation to their career goals. A POP teacher guide is available on the teacher resource page for more information. Reflection. How can the POP artifact help students achieve their career goals? When you review each student's portfolio, explore the page and the sections completed for each artifact. This provides you with an overview of what steps the student has completed in the self-regulated learning process. You can work with the whole class to introduce them to each category and explain what each one means. Go step by step. You can start with the easier categories and add the more advanced ones later in the year. We will explore each of these concepts in the upcoming chapters. During this chapter, you learned about the Personal Orientation Program artifact and its features. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the Print button.